Our school goal this year is at least at 85 words % on the fast assembly. By spring of 2020, we will reach our goal.
We are making great progress.
First, our custodians have selected a class with the tidiest habits. I will present the Golden Dustpan Award to Mrs. Smith and Mrs. Fry's class. Now the Golden Book Award goes to a person or a class with great respect for reading in the library. Way to go, Dyson Thompson. Lastly, the Golden Spatula Award goes to the student with a great manners and respect in the lunchroom. The winner is Mrs. David's class.
All right, this month I chose Kinsley Rice for the Tiger Paw Award. Kinsley always shows kindness in class and outside of the classroom to all of her peers and adults. She's respectful and responsible. She always gets her work done on time and does her best on it. She's worked very hard this year and has improved her math and reading scores and progress monitoring, and shows all the qualities of our paws.
My Tiger Paw Award goes to Marshall Reed. Marshall Reed is a kind and caring student who cares about all of his classmates, and they would agree with me on that. He follows PAWs wherever he's at, classroom rules, and does a great job in school and is really working hard. He's an all-around great student, and I enjoy having him.
The Paw Award I'm going to give this month goes to Hudson Murphy. I chose Hudson Murphy because he always is showing his paws. He's very kind and respectful and uses his manners. Hudson can always be caught in the hallway doing his job. He knows when it's time to have fun and when it is time to work hard. So I would like to give it to Hudson.
You guys, I believe that every student is worthy of a Tiger Paw Award because every student is special. But I've been lucky to teach this special student in my classroom for 2 years, and in other groups before that. Throughout all that time, it has been you who has caught my eye, and you show paws in every way throughout your day. Hallie, first, you always promote kindness. I see you welcoming others to join you in our classroom and truly treasuring your closest friends. You are always concerned about the well-being of others, and that is a great way to show kindness. Promoting kindness is part of your personality. Next, acting responsible is a trait that you possess naturally. Every day you are prepared and ready to learn. You never fail to have your head in the game, and you are constantly excited for a new challenge. You even ask questions to further your knowledge and to have a well-rounded understanding. This is an outstanding attribute of a 5th grade student. Third, you are such a hard worker. You are so determined to learn and grow, even when you have free time. You always want more. You are continuously working hard to learn. Working hard is difficult, especially in a time when being a try-hard is not cool. In my opinion, being a try-hard is the ultimate characteristic you can hold. Lastly, you show so much respect. You are the image of respect. You are polite, kind-hearted, and so thoughtful of others around you. You never take anything for granted, and you are thankful for all of your experiences. Whether it be learning, playing, or just relaxing, you appreciate everything and show respect to everyone. Hallie, you are so worthy of the Tiger Paw Award, and I am so grateful to be your teacher this year. I am so excited to watch you grow up and become such an outstanding contribution to our world. Never stop working until you are proud of what you've accomplished. Congratulations, Hallie.
I am pleased to give this Tiger Paw Award to Corbin England. Promote kindness. Corbin does a fine job of being kind to all those around him. If someone needs an extra hand, he is the first one to jump up and help out. It is not uncommon to find Corbin cheering up a friend or a classmate who may be having a bad day. Act responsible. Corbin is always ready to learn when he's in my classroom. If Corbin doesn't understand something, he is never afraid to ask questions. He stays focused on my lessons while I am teaching, and his desk is always neat and clean. Works hard. Corbin does a fine job of being the best student he can be. He will work on something until he gets it right. He is good at turning his mistakes into a learning opportunity. Corbin may be the last one to turn in his paper at times, but I know his work will be done well and with a lot of effort. Shows respect. Corbin always listens to my instructions. He is honest with others and me. Corbin does a good job of following the golden rule. Treat others the way you want to be treated. Keep up the good work, Corbin. I am so glad you are in my classroom, and I have had the opportunity to get to know you. You have a lot to be proud of.
Okay, I'm going to give my Tiger Paw Award to Alec Henderson this month. Alec Henderson has shown lots of growth in his reading. First quarter, our goal was 20 AR points, and he is at 80 points already. And last year, he told me that he got 40 points all year. So, woo-woo, Alec, way to go.
Jessica is receiving the Tiger Paws Award. She demonstrates all areas of paws. She promotes kindness, acts responsible, works hard, and shows respect. Jessica is a very respectful student that I have the privilege teaching this year in 2nd grade. I can always depend on Jessica to do the right thing when nobody is looking. She enters every morning with a smile on her face, and her silliness brightens my day. Her caring personality makes her a great friend too. Jessica is making progress academically in the classroom as well. She is a very independent worker who completes her work as best as she can. She really knows her facts to 20. I can see how hard she is working to become a better reader. I know that Jessica will continue to make growth in my classroom. Don't forget to keep being the sweet girl that you are. Thank you.
Gracie Brokaw, you are our Tiger Paw winner for PE. Gracie comes in, she has a great personality, wonderful attitude, does a super job every day. I can always count on her to brighten my day. Good job, Gracie.
Hey Lenox, it's Tiger time. Since we can't all be together in the gym, we are going to do things a little differently. We are challenging each classroom to build the tallest tower of donated goods. These must be packaged paper products like toilet paper, paper towels, and Kleenexes, or perishable canned food items. You have until November 25th to do this. Collect your items however you want to make sure you get them up to the tall towers before 9 o'clock that day. The winners will be announced at our November assembly.
Time to draw punch cards for prizes. I will list the winners, and Miss Woods will come around like this afternoon to deliver your prize. Congratulations to Dax Wilson, Kara Houghton, Ruby Wilson, Hope Briggs, Selena Velasquez, sorry if I pronounced that wrong, Alina Rios, Ishan Rice, Anna Black, Kenley Reed, and Israel Yassiquire. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong too.